Thank you so much for purchasing these Erin Condren Life Binder corner vinyl decals from my store. I'm here to show you how to install them correctly so they look absolutely professional and stunning at the same time. Go ahead and pick your color. Once you've gotten your backing paper and your vinyl covers, go ahead and take one of the notched scalloped vinyls off of the backing paper. Line it up so the V-shaped notch in your vinyl matches up directly in the corner of your life binder. If you have trouble seeing where that is, just lift up the cover of your vinyl and hold it up to a window. You'll be able to see through it. So now that I have that corner notch, now it's time to worry about these side edges. Just make sure that on these diagonal lines that the life binder is directly in half. Once that's in place, go ahead and fold over the vinyl to the back side of your binder. As you can see on the front side, it looks perfectly lovely. On the back side, sometimes we get off by just a hair and it causes some unevenness or some bumping or whatnot. You're always welcome to take it off again and try, because this vinyl is removable on these planners. If you think that this isn't sightly or they're not even, I've included 4 triangles that you can place directly over the vinyl to create a seamless look on the back of your binder. Go ahead and place those down, and now you have a professional, wonderful looking binder that everybody will love. And because this is such high quality vinyl, you can lift it up gently from the corners of your planner. If you do it gently enough, you can stick it right back on to the paper that it comes on, and then you can trade them out seasonally, daily, monthly, whatever suits you. And that does absolutely no harm or damage to your binder. Since these vinyls are removable, you can change them out seasonally, add a different color on each corner, or enjoy them all cohesive on one. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate your business.